Snowflakes falling soft and slow. Firesides warm and all aglow. Wrapped in blankets, feeling right. Beneath the trees, twinkling light. Gingerbread and cocoa sweet. Tapping toes to that upbeat. Candles flicker, we all cheer as laughter fills this time of year. A cozy Christmas all around. Magic moments we have found in every smile and every song. Together here where we belong. Whispers of good tidings told. Hearts as warm as they are bold. Stockings hung with love and care. Hopes and dreams beyond compare. Stars are shining up above, glowing with the lights of love. In this season, joy and peace, may our blessings never cease. A cozy Christmas all around. Magic moments we have found in every smile and every song. Together here where we belong. Stars are shining up above, glowing with the lights of love. In this season, joy and peace, may our blessings never cease. A cozy Christmas all around. Magic moments we have found in every smile and every song. Together here where we belong. Morning sun shines bright. First frost in the light. Sparkles fill the air. Magic everywhere. Trees in silver coats. Ice on boats they float. Crystal grass so green. Winter's sparkling scene. Glitter frost on toes. Nose and cheeks it shows. Winter's dance so bright. Glitters in the night. Snowflakes start to fall. Cozy fires call. Blankets warm and tight. Winter's pure delight. Shimmering path we walk. Under stars we talk. In this frost we trust. Magic in the dust. Glitter frost on toes. Nose and cheeks it shows.